Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to explore the verb querer. This is a pace lesson. P, presentation. A, attention to form. C, co-construct. E, extension. So remember, your job as you go through the PowerPoint with me is to figure out what does querer mean and how is it changing. Vamos. ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Un taco? ¿Las botas? ¿El perro? ¿Las gafas del sol? ¿Qué tú quieres? Yo quiero un chocolate caliente. Yo quiero un chocolate caliente. ¿Tú quieres un refresco frío? ¿Tú quieres un refresco frío? Él quiere una gorra. Él quiere una gorra. Nosotros no queremos el helado, queremos la pizza. Nosotros no queremos el helado, queremos la pizza. Ellos quieren los dulces. Ellos quieren los dulces. Muy bien. Now let's look at the verb querer and let's look at the sentences together. Yo quiero un chocolate caliente. ¿Tú quieres un refresco frío? Él quiere una gorra. Nosotros no queremos el helado. Ellos quieren los dulces. Let's look at that orange verb. Up at the top above the line in the darker orange, you have the infinitive of querer. Remember, the infinitive is the base form of the verb. It doesn't tell us who's doing an action or when they're doing it, it just gives us the meaning. Looking at the sentences, what does querer mean? How is it changing? How did we get from the infinitive, querer, to the conjugations, quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, quieren? What do you notice? You should notice that there is a stem change. It is going from quer to quier everywhere except nosotros. In the nosotros form, it jumps back to the original stem, quer. It's an er verb, so the endings are o, es, e, hemos, en. What does it mean? To want. I want a hot chocolate. Do you want a cold drink? He wants a hat. We don't want the ice cream. They want the candy. Here, if you notice, we're using querer in the simple form with things. Muy bien. Let's continue and explore a little bit more. ¿Qué tú quieres hacer? Don't be intimidated by the word hacer. Remember, hacer means to make or do. It often doesn't show up in your answer because you're changing it out for an activity. Vamos, ¿qué tú quieres hacer? Again, watch the verbs. Now you have orange and green, anaranjado y verde. What does it mean and how is it changing? Yo quiero comer un helado. Yo quiero comer un helado. ¿Tú quieres cantar conmigo? ¿Tú quieres cantar conmigo? Él quiere jugar al fútbol. Él quiere jugar al fútbol. Nosotros queremos hablar. Nosotros queremos hablar. Ellos quieren correr. ¡Qué rápido! Ellos quieren correr. Muy bien. Now we know querer means to want. Let's look at these sentences and see if we can see the change. Yo quiero comer un helado. ¿Tú quieres cantar conmigo? Él quiere jugar al fútbol. Nosotros queremos hablar. And ellos quieren correr. What is the orange verb querer doing? That's right. It's still conjugating to match the person doing the action. You can see the conjugation forms. But now it's not being followed by a thing. It's being followed by, what are those green words? That's right. They're infinitive verbs. So, yo quiero comer, I want to eat an ice cream. So instead of just wanting the ice cream, now I want to eat it. So we're adding an action. ¿Tú quieres cantar conmigo? Do you want to sing with me? Él quiere jugar al fútbol. He wants to play football, soccer. Nosotros queremos hablar. We want to talk. Ellos quieren correr. They want to run. So now we're talking about activities. Yo quiero comer un helado. I like to say, when in Spanish, when two verbs go walking, the first one does the talking or the changing. This means that the first verb is conjugated to match the subject of the sentence, and the second verb stays in the full infinitive form to give us the word to. Example, comer, to eat. Look at the top. Yo quiero comer un helado. Quiero is conjugated as the first verb to match yo. Comer has to stay in the full infinitive. I want to eat. If you conjugated both verbs, I want, I eat, it doesn't make sense. Yo quiero comer un helado. I want to eat an ice cream. ¿Qué tú quieres hacer? ¿Tú quieres montar en bicicleta? ¿Tú quieres leer? ¿O tú quieres escuchar música? ¿Qué tú quieres hacer? Yo quiero bailar. ¿Tú quieres bailar conmigo? Yo espero que sí. Gracias.